Looking for a quick fix to boost your health? The viral baking soda trick for men claims to improve everything from energy levels to erectile function. But is it a legit remedy or just another online scam? We spent some time researching this trend to find out. The viral baking soda trick main is a health hack circulating on social media platforms like TikTok. It involves mixing a small amount of baking soda with water and consuming it with claims that boost energy levels, enhance athletic performance, improve erectile function, aid in weight loss. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, it is an alkaline chemical compound composed of sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. Baking soda is also used as a cleaning product, a deodorizer, and antacid ingredient in recipes from bread to Mountain Dew one. But are these claims backed by science or not? Some of the benefits claimed by users include on the TikTok that many TikTokers user believe that drinking baking soda water can help with weight loss. Some athletes have claimed that drinking baking soda water can help their endurance and performance, while there is some evidence to suggest that baking soda can help neutralize acid in the body and improve athletic performance. More research is needed to confirm these claims. Some people believe that drinking baking soda water can help reduce inflammation in the body, but there is no scientific evidence of these false claims. There is no evidence of these false claims. The claim was that a Facebook video claims that 20-second remedy using a baking soda can cure erectile dysfunction in just 30 minutes. It features doctored footage of Dr. Naresh Dhirehan and Rajesh Sharma suggesting that endorse this remedy. This video also warns that Viagra is toxic in causing. Additionally, it claims that Viagra's side effects include addiction. What are the health risks related to this baking soda recipe? Drinking baking soda water may be popular now, but it's essential to be aware of its potential drawbacks. Baking soda has an alkaline pH of roughly 8.3. Consuming too much can cause metabolic alkalosis, wherein the body's pH is more than 7.45. Alkalosis can damage the heart and decrease blood flow to the brain and oxygen flow to bodily tissues. Consuming excessive baking soda can lead to health problems like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. It can disrupt the balance of minerals in your body. Long-term excessive intake can strain your kidneys. According to US-based American Heart Association, 1 teaspoon of baking soda contains about 1200 mg of sodium, nearly the fully daily recommended allotment given by the AHA for people with high blood pressure. Many of the claimed benefits of the baking soda water, such as weight loss and improved athletic performance, lack strong scientific backing. An increased number of TikTok users recommend mixing baking soda with water and drinking this home remedy for fast UTI relief. One creator claimed washing down a teaspoon of baking soda with 6 ounces of water broke it off her UTI within 30 minutes. That was the best thing I could have ever found. Another gushed after using the cure, saying it got rid of her symptoms overnight. One user even claimed baking soda could be used to treat kidney infections, getting rid of the burn from inside out. But this is a risk remedy viral hack that claims to ease UTIs and acid reflux actually put you at the risk of high blood pressure and seizures. There are people reviews about this viral baking soda recipe. One said that since it seems like every second posting here is about an unsuccessful attempt on doing some cleaning with vinegar and baking soda, it might be worth to address this as TikTok. One said, I find it funny this post is being reported by people who don't like to hear the truth. Baking soda and vinegar are great on their own, but together are nothing more than salt water. If this is actually controversial, so be it. I'm considering sticking this. One said vinegar itself doesn't in fact clean many things. You can remove stains and odors from normally clean hard water of bathroom surfaces. Now Gohar GP and cystitis leads at Boots online doctor warned that you shouldn't resort to baking soda, often used for cleaning hacks, to treat health concerns like UTIs, and she urged people to think twice before following the health advice online. Be cautious of videos and posts that feature doctorate or AI generated content. While baking soda has legitimate uses in cooking and cleaning, relying on it as a health remedy is not advisable without professional medical guidance. The viral baking soda trick for men lacks scientific research and could pose health risk. It's essential to approach such trends with skepticism and consult healthcare professionals before trying new health remedies.